Sorry to call you on your day off, partner. About a half a pound of the shit buried inside a computer. There's a girl hooked up to the thing.
Which building goes?
One more thing, before the boy blew his brains out.
Looks like this thing might pay for itself yet.
Nazi, relax.
Who the hell are you?
Dove. James Dove. Yes? Why don't you get Manfred out of here? Buy him a drink. Looks like he could use one. It's time we got, Nance. Bites, how many?
24. I don't want to die.
It's gonna be a piece of cake.
What was that? Just do something!
Red, me too.
Hey, no!
That's me.
Found the suicide, JB?
Heard you had yourself a doozy down in Cambridge today.
When did you know it was time to get out?
I didn't know it was time to get out. It's time, friend. You've done your penance.
Yeah.
Don't know, Jimmy. How come, huh?
Why does it always have to be you up there?
It doesn't. I'm in for a teaching job. I can't sleep, okay? I puke my guts out when I shut one down. Keep remembering things I want to forget. I can't do it anymore. No regrets, Katie. Landmines. This sucker here is particularly nasty. It jumps up to crotch level and blows goodbye to whatever brass balls you think you might have. You think this stuff is funny, Tony? Look at Betty and you show the kids how you take it down.
Watch you learn. Clean look at the bitch's firing spring.
Click. Don't move. Don't move. That's a live one.
Love a challenge.
Oh, and my Betties, they come with a timer.
Yeah, run.
Bouncing Betty. Hope you all enjoyed that.
Can I interest you in this YouTube tape? Only $1. You know, the Irish band? Come on, everybody knows you.
Where is everybody? Where's Rourke?
Back there.
I'm with Mama, baby.
Vamos, Babalu. Pa'lante, pa'lante. What's the matter, Jimmy?
Jimmy.
Check the area for second.
Look, I'm just as sick over Blanken's death as you are. But if somebody wanted to kill one, you're not making any sense.
It's the only way to go, Cat. Let's look at all this stuff now and see if there's any connection with what happened over there.
Nobody's gonna make...
Out of the way!
Right, Garrity?
Much more lyrical than Liam McGinley. Much less Irish.
It's the gift of pain, of course.
You're the reason they died. I was trying to stop you. You said nobody was gonna get killed. There was people everywhere.
We were at war. Your conscience ended up causing the death of your own, Liam. You're a bad boy. Whilst you've been prancing around the streets of bloody America playing hero, I've been a man without a conscience.
Pain.
Your own sweetheart, your friends, me. I spent the last 20 years of my life in jail or on the run because of you. But don't let me get morose on you.
Did what I did because you told me I was a soldier. But I never killed anybody. God damn you, Garrity. Look what you've done.
I've come here to create a new country for you called chaos and a new government called anarchy.
The only thing that ever turned you on were your goddamn bombs.
Could you smell her flower, Liam?
What? Are you still there?
I want to be rude, but I must go. Your new wife and daughter just got home.
Boomer? Boomer? Ghost? Do you? Okay, bye. Oh, that's not the oven.
Come on. We gotta get out of here. Where's Boomer? It's morning raised in Belfast. 1 minute, a kid turning on a merry-go-round thinking how blue the sky is. He was too crazy for that.
Who? Why?
I screwed up his plans. You can't stay around here. You can't stay around me.
What?
You understand that?
I don't even.
Contacted Interpol. They made their own search and they came up with Garrity. According to the report, he can build bombs out of Bisquick. You know, he's a freelancer. Red Brigade, Libyans. Turn it off. It's on a different circuit. It's all right. Which wouldn't be so bad in your case.
Hello?
Too easy.
What's the problem?
I'm sorry, buddy.
All right. Put a little tension on it. You scared, Tone? You're right on it now. On 1, 2, 1.
Been thinking of the man and the women who suffered.
You
Yes, we know you tried to stop the bomb, Liam, but isn't it? It was a mad honor, peace on earth, goodwill toward men, make love not war. In the long run, I want me dead. And I'll dry your tears.
Guess what? I got the bastard for you.
What? I don't...
Oh, yours is everything's... You shouldn't have done that, Dad. Yeah? Well, fuck you, Dad. I'd ask you to give me a spin, but I'm scared to move. What's the prognosis? Am I going to be blown to kings? But I'm pretty well buggered here, wouldn't you say?
Going to my bike.
Jimmy.
Get my tools.
I don't mean to question your talents.
Lord, forgive me.
Hey, you're checking out? Huh?
How can I fight him if I can't find him, huh? Kid, you don't know this guy. You don't know me. You got any weapons on you, all right?
Oh, no. No, don't you do it.
I'm tired of war. Go ahead, take us both.
Oh, no, it's not for us, it's for you.
Is now sewing away on a little fiddle for 500,000 beautiful Americans. No! Hate guns. You fell for it. This is... Expecting you so early, Liam, but don't you know it's funny how things all... Kid, Lizzie will be later. So why don't you just settle down there with Betty? Maybe you'll catch it. You remember how much we used to love to sing, Liam? Down the hatch, Liam. Mind you, I'll be leaving you with my masterpiece.